people, this video that I'm shooting here, it's unbelievable, yeah, just how beautiful this place is. I mean, you should see the color green, yeah, it's like lush green, you know. It's, I mean, there are very few times in life that one is completely speechless because something is so beautiful. So this is one of those times. You can see that white um, bird that is flying over these lush green, I don't know, paddy, or I'm not sure what crop is this, rice. Anyway, this place is called Bhongir and it's beautiful, right? Bhuvanagiri. So yeah, I mean, I'm here. I'm part of. In another 10 minutes, I need to report back to work. So this is again one of these very short videos, but that's what I have. These two little children also who are coming. I'll ask them to click a full size snap for me. So that'll be nice. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.